Your PC won't boot and shows error HE0000009, an unexpected I/O error. Here are 8 proofs.
Fix number 1. Disconnect all external devices. This is the most common cause of error 0xC0000000E9. Shut down your PC completely. Unplug all USB drives, external hard drives, printers, and card readers. Then power on with only your keyboard, mouse, and monitor connected. If Windows boots normally, one of those devices was causing the I/O conflict. Reconnect them one at a time to find the culprit.
Error 0xC00000E9 means the Windows Boot Manager encountered an unexpected input or output error during startup. An I/O error happens when the system cannot read from or write to a storage device. This prevents Windows from loading critical boot files. The most common causes are faulty peripherals, loose cables, corrupt system files, or a failing hard drive.
Fix number 2. Check your internal hardware connections. Power off your PC and unplug the power cable. Open the case and reseat the SATA data cable and power cable on both ends, the drive side and the motherboard side. If you use an M.2 SSD, remove it and reinsert it firmly. A loose cable is one of the most common hardware causes of this error, and it takes just 2 minutes to fix.
Fix number 3. Use Windows Startup Repair. Force 3 restarts by holding the power button off during the Windows logo. This triggers the automatic repair environment. Click Repair Your Computer, then Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and select Startup Repair. The tool will scan for boot issues and attempt to fix them automatically. Restart and check if the error is resolved. Fix number 4. Repair corrupted system files using SFC and DISM. Open Command Prompt from Windows Recovery by going to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and Command Prompt. Type SFC, Scanow, Off-Boot Dir, MC, Windows, and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish. If the error persists, run DISM Image C, Cleanup Image Restore Health. These tools detect and repair damaged boot files that may be causing the I/O error.
Fix number 5. Check your disk for errors with CHKDSK. Open Command Prompt in Windows Recovery and type CHKDSK CFR, then press Enter. This scans your entire drive for bad sectors and file system corruption. The scan may take 30 minutes or more on large drives. If it reports unrepairable bad sectors, your drive may be physically failing. In that case, stop immediately and consider professional data recovery.
Fix number 6. Update or reinstall your storage drivers. If you can boot into safe mode, open Device Manager by pressing Windows key plus X. Expand HIDE ATA ATAPI controllers and disk drives. Right-click each device and select Update Driver. If no update is available, choose Uninstall Device, then restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. You can also download the latest SATA or NVMe driver from your motherboard manufacturer's website.
Fix number 7. Reset your BIOS or UEFI settings to defaults. Restart your PC and enter BIOS setup by pressing Delete or F2 during boot. Look for the option that says Load Optimized Defaults or Load Setup Defaults. Select it and confirm. Also verify that your boot order lists the system drive first and check that the SATA controller mode is set to AHCI. Save changes and restart.
Fix number 8. Rebuild the master boot record and boot configuration data. This is the most advanced fix, but very effective. Boot from your Windows installation USB and open Command Prompt from the recovery options. Type bootrec, fix MBR, and press Enter. Finally, type bootrec, rebuild BCD, and press Enter. When it finds your Windows installation, type Y to add it to the boot list. Close the window and restart your PC.
Now let us understand why this error happens. There are 8 main root causes. First, faulty external USB devices or peripherals, which is the most common cause. Second, loose or damaged SATA cables inside the PC. Third, corrupt system files, or Windows registry problems. Fourth, a failing hard drive with bad sectors. Fifth, incorrect BIOS or UEFI settings, including wrong boot order or SATA mode. Sixth, outdated or corrupted storage controller drivers. Seventh, a failed or interrupted Windows update. And eighth, malware or boot sector viruses that disrupt normal I/O operations.
To prevent this error from happening again, follow these tips. Disconnect external devices before running major Windows updates. Create a bootable Windows recovery USB while your PC still works. Monitor your drive health with Crystal Disk Info and replace drives below 90% health. Keep your storage drivers updated from your motherboard manufacturer's website. Avoid forced tying down your computer. And use a UPS to protect against power outages that can corrupt boot files.
That is all 8 fixes for boot manager error 0xC0000000E9. Your PC should now boot normally. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tech fix guides, and leave a comment below telling us which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.